Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a little adventure through two of the most iconic and trendy spots here in Bangkok. We'll start off at the stunning ICONSIAM, a mall that's basically a city within a city. After soaking in the glitz of the mall, we'll head back to the pier and finally make our way to Chinatown's trendiest street, Song Wat. I'll give you a peek into what makes ICONSIAM a must-visit and why Song Wat is a place to be for local vibes and awesome eats. Let's jump right in. We're back here in, what station is this? Chongnong-si. So we're going back to Texin? Saban Texin. So we're going back to the pier, going to Chinatown, eventually head to Song Wat station, and oh my gosh, the weather today is very, very hot. It's around 33 degrees Celsius.
36.
Okay, so his phone said it's 36 degrees Celsius, but actually it feels like 40 plus degrees. And I feel like I'm gonna pass out in this heat though. So you guys, drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. I have a headache today since I woke up. So I just bought Tylenol downstairs in the small store. And I'm gonna take it later. So hopefully you feel better though. I would like this day to be good for me too, so that I can enjoy the environment, the outdoor, all the activities that we're gonna be going, because we're gonna be walking a lot today. In the gold line, we're supposed to go to the pier, but we missed our stop, and we found out that there's actually a line going straight here in ICONSIAM Mall. So we went ahead and tried that one, and it's a good experience. So it's only one stop from where we're. Really nice. Good. Across from ICONSIAM, we have the Lotus Eatery, the Tree Bay Premium Hypermarket, they have the Hilton Garden Inn, and then there's ICS on the other side. Gentle Monster is right ahead, and then Zara. So I'm just giving you a peek of what they have here. H&M is right there. There's a big On store, and then the COS. This is the Gentle Monster, and then you have the House Nowhere and Urban Revivo.
Iconic.
Yeah, but let's walk around and see what we can find here. But I'll definitely go back to the Zara store and check out. I think they have like some sales there. And I'd like to go to Glasgow.
On this side right here. See, look.
Neoland Festival thing. The luxury brands right here. So you have Fendi there, and then Dior, Louis Vuitton, McQueen, Balenciaga is right there, Louis V. It's so nice and cold in this mall though. I don't want to go out anymore. Well, everyone's here. Lots of foreigners as well, walking around, shopping, spending money. I like the bomber jacket. I like this outfit.
Where's the line at?
Bottega Veneta. I love their stuff here. Celine. I love the bag in Celine as well. This is the pier. So if you would like to go somewhere else, I think we're gonna take the boat later, going to Song Wat Street. If only the weather is nice and it's not hot, it's nice to go down there, go out and enjoy the scenery. But for now, I'm fine here inside the mall. Let's go. It's pretty nice here. Look at the setting here. Those are restaurants. Yeah, it's like this road. Look, people are just taking pictures everywhere here. See what they're doing, like in that wall, and then they're taking pictures in that wall. It's everywhere, huh? So these are just cafes.
That's it. And little boutique shops.
Yeah, we're curious what this road is all about though. Like everyone's going here. So what's in here? Terror BKK? They have like warehouse Sundays here. Oh, we can check this out. What's in here? You can customize your shirts. Nice color. Do you want the shirt customized? Cafés.
Boutique store.
And then when we come back, let's just take pictures though.
Everybody's trying to do those little things.
Everyone would like to take a pictures there.
It's kind of cool.
So much going on around here.
Like that.
Hello. Is there any good view by the river?
By the river, you can sing until 6 p.m.
Until 6 p.m. Thank you. Hey, are you enjoying yourself? What did you order, mister? So we find this place from Copilot, and this is not the right place that I wanted to go to, but the vibe here is nice, so we'll try this one here. And then next time we're gonna go to the other place that I really like to go to. It's like an hour walk from here, which we won't do that today. Yeah. So we are sitting by the river. We didn't have a reservation, but they allow us to sit here for 2 hours. So we need to finish by 6 p.m., which is enough time to enjoy our meal, enjoy the ambience. Thank you. So this is the pork.
have to be careful with your phone here.
Oh, so this is a fried rice and this is the noodles. Can you hear that? So there's a prayer going on. We're here in the temple. So we just finished our nice lunch by the river and we're back in walking, back in the street. We don't have any itinerary or anything that we have in mind that we would like to go to. So we're just gonna explore the area around here and let's see where our feet will take us. Like cats. We're just gonna walk all the way up and down and see what's in here. So I think guys, this is how I'm gonna end my vlog for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the short video and I'll see you again in my next vlog.